Hey everybody, welcome back to Crazy Hillbilly Channel. For today's video, we are going to do the Extreme Heat 10 Wing Challenge. We got 10 wings here, and he got 10 wings, and we're going to go over the hot, nasty barbecue sauce that we got. I hope you guys get a kick out of this, but finally, you get to meet the man behind the camera. Previously known cameraman. So yeah, this is going to be a fun video. I told a couple people about it that was going to do it, and they keep texting me, when are you going to do it, when are you going to do it, when are you going to do it, when are you going to do it? So they like to see me in pain, and like to see me spit shit out and throw up, and like to see me eat gross shit, right?
Me too.
I've been dreading this day for, I had this stuff for like over a month, and I've been dreading it every day. I've been putting it off doing other videos besides this, which we should have did, but I kept putting it off. Then I did another video, then I put it off, and here we are. I don't want to do it. All right, let me go over this. Like I showed you, 10 wings. You got 10 wings. And we get jelly beans. I bought this stuff at Cabela's, and it came with a pack of jelly beans. These are, I don't know what the Scalvent is, or however you say it, the heat level index on these. But
oh, it was separate. It didn't come with us.
Oh, was it separate?
We bought it separate, yeah.
I thought it came with it.
No.
But the name of these jelly beans are ass-kicking jelly beans. I hope you guys like it. That's funny. You get the picture of the donkey with his feet
Right.
That's cool. But I opened these up a little bit ago and I gave it to my grandson. Yeah. I'll eat it, Pappy. I'll eat it, Pappy. I'll eat it, Pappy. And I just, all right. So I opened it up and gave him a red one. I can taste it. I can't taste it. And he's like a deer in the headlights. He froze. He's like, I'm like, go spit it out. So yeah, we're gonna try these first. I want to see what he went through. I thought it was kind of funny. The camera woman want one.
Hell no.
Camera woman wants one.
No.
It's tradition, right?
Right.
Everything that we try.
Not today.
All right, I'll let you
Oh,
pick
I'm a
one.
red one. That's what he had. That's what I'm gonna have.
Okay, he's shaking already, getting in there, and he already just whipped it in his mouth.
Yep.
I want a green one.
All right, so jelly beans so far.
I like them green ones. I don't think it's hot.
Them hot mamas. What do they call them?
Hot tamales?
Hot tamales.
That green one wasn't even hot. Let me try one.
Try a red one. It's got a
Oh,
little
I
heat
can
to
start
it.
feeling it now in the back of my throat.
Take some out. That's what he had. I could take it and then.
Now it's stuck in my damn tooth and I can't get it out. Yeah, well, I hate hot stuff. I'm not gonna try another one. I already know what he went through. Yeah. Oh, I didn't feel it on my tongue. Now I feel it on my
This is gonna
tongue.
be fun.
Yeah, because you just put the jelly bean on your tongue from your tooth.
Get your tongue numb now.
Try one of them green ones.
I tried a green one. The red one wasn't that bad. They said it's like a hot tamale, but it takes a second.
They get me hard in the back of my throat.
It tastes like a jelly.
That's what I thought the first about 35 seconds. And it was like,
heat comes on.
I can't stand hot stuff. I really can't. So this is really going to be challenging for me.
No, you gotta try a red one.
I'll try a red one. I
Red one's hotter than
ain't
green
backwards.
You ain't scared?
I ain't scared.
Watch him get a pink one. I ain't scared.
Pink one. Red one. They make my nose run or anything.
Oh yeah, that's probably about right here.
Actually, they do got a good taste. It's just all of a sudden, bam! That hotness gets to you. But they are good though.
Oh yeah, they taste like a normal jelly bean, and
Right.
it gets in the back right about here and starts heating up.
Yeah, that red one ain't bad. Maybe my mouth is just getting used to heat. Now Taco Bell, that I get the fire sauce all the time, and my wife can't take. She can't take it, can you?
I ate it before. I just prefer the mild. I mean, it's not bad sauce at all.
Every once in a while,
I'll eat it, yeah.
I'll eat a lot of hot sauce, the fire sauce, and every now and again I'll run into a packet like, whoo, that one there's kind of warm. Then my forehead starts beating up, which is going to happen today. All right, enough BSing because I don't want to do this. All right.
That's the first one.
This is the first one. This one here is called Fanny Fart Hot Sauce. Ain't that cool? Fanny Fart Hot Sauce.
What's the little saying say on it?
The heat index one on this one
Medium.
is medium. What you want to know?
The little sayings on there.
The little saying right here. It says yuck, dang, granny, gross, and ew.
Look at the dog.
The dog. There's
He's
little
got a
dog on
clothespin
there.
on his nose.
I guess Granny farted with her feet up like SpongeBob. Look at her. She's cute. All right. So I guess I'm gonna try it. So like I said, each one of these we got 10 to go through, and each one of these the heat level index goes up and up and up. So you're gonna put your own on, not this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dab it on there. Like that.
Okay.
There's a good like 4 or 5 big drops on there. You see it? It's running off there.
Trying to get it on there.
It'll come out all of a sudden.
Oh,
there it goes. There it goes. So let's try this. This is gonna be good. You ready? That was a good flavor.
It tastes like French.
Yeah, it tastes like that regular hot sauce.
I put that shit on everything.
A1 sauce. I put that shit on everything. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, real good.
So the next thing is, how much are we going to be talking? How much are we going to be talking when we go through all this?
I don't know. Whoa.
What?
I'm saying it's gonna get. We ain't gonna be talking down here.
Now there is some nasty stuff in here. Some are called wasabi. I don't like the wasabi.
I don't
think
like
it's
wasabi.
nasty. I can't eat spinach. I can't eat
Brussels
wasabi.
sprouts.
And most of that green nasty shit. I
You
can't
don't
eat.
even like guacamole, so
Oh hell no.
that's about roughly the
That's
same
wasabi,
thing.
guacamole, spinach, cooked spinach, I can't stand it.
So guess what's up next? I think this is what's on.
Well, let's just get it out of the way. What's this here? This one is called Sir Farts a Lot. I don't know. Hot sauce, a little guy there, Sir Farts a Lot. He's got little smoke clouds coming out of his butt. Let's see what it smells like.
Let's see. Yep, that would be wasabi for you.
That'd be nastiness.
Be wasabi.
All right.
If we get through these ones, I think we'll be good.
If I don't throw up during this one, I'll be happy. There's my drops on there.
Oh, he got
yeah,
a
get it
lot.
on there.
Put it on there.
Oh, I smell it. Ooh.
Yeah, it stinks like rotten ass. I can't stand that shit. Here
Ready?
we go. I'm glad I got a strong
That's
chicken.
wasabi. Yep.
I don't like it, but I'm doing it for you guys. I'm gonna try to swallow all this stuff without spitting it out this time.
You starting to get some heat yet?
Not really.
I got a little bit on the tip of my tongue.
Did you?
Yeah.
The heat index didn't really hit me yet,
Not yet.
but you'll know because I don't have my hair.
I don't
You see
either.
that shit start to beat up. You'll see it like rain coming down my face.
I don't got no hair either.
You got more than I do.
Yeah, well no, you got a bigger, fuller beard.
That's so when it drips down my beard, I can save that shit for later.
Yep.
All right, Billy got to drink something this time.
Another wasabi.
More wasabi.
What side did you grab it on? Because we got to
It's
go
right
in
here,
order.
it's right here.
We're going in order.
That's right.
From like blah 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 blah.
To the hottest?
Yeah. It gets-
Yeah, it was over here.
All right. I'm gonna get something to drink first. I don't like wasabi.
I mean, it didn't have really a bad flavor to it. It's just
All right. What's this one?
don't like wasabi. It's wasabi too.
Is it the same shit?
It's different. It's hotter.
This one here says, "Kick your ass hot." Right there,
Sure
on the
does
bottom.
too.
Kick your ass hot. And it's over here. It says, "Take me with you." And this is wasabi. Yeah, right there in big letters, wasabi hot sauce. Nasty.
Same people make jelly beans.
Why? All right, what's this one? That's a picture of that donkey
Yeah,
too.
that's the same company. Kick your ass.
Yeah, it's a
Kicking
picture of the
ass.
same donkey on the jelly bean. All right, let's try this. I hope you guys like this because I'm talking a lot of shit right now. We got like 2, 4, 6, 7
Yeah,
more to go. And it keeps getting warmer. That last one really, I didn't really taste that last one.
Quit
Yes, sir.
stalling.
Quit stalling, she says. All right, here it goes.
Over your plate.
Huh? It is over my plate.
Oh,
Oh,
So
you
that's
got
thick
good.
shit too. Yeah, baby.
Alright.
Oh, ready?
We're ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Look on my lip. Ooh, that's just nasty.
Yeah.
I gotta remember when I'm going through here, keep my fingers out of my eyeballs.
Right.
That shit, like, oh my god, I can feel the heat up on that one.
Oh, and it's only gonna get worse.
oh, he's starting to beat. I'm starting
Yeah.
to see
Oh
it.
yeah. I'm sort of sweat.
Mm. Come on, I don't have a lot of teeth, so I gotta. And what I don't chew up, I just gotta let it slide down the pipe.
I got 7 more.
Oh, if you hear that big blur in the background, I got a big torpedo fan sitting there on the floor. And it's facing.
Alright, this one here I'm not too worried about. I mean, it's hotter, but it has a better flavor. Nose starting to run too now.
I felt a little heat on that one.
Yeah, I can
This one's roasted garlic.
Yeah.
We put these, give you some more newspaper towels. There. Did you use them all up already?
No, we're good. I'll put them right there.
You got a bunch on the floor that blew over.
Yeah.
Yeah, these here are still made by the same company. It has that donkey, like the jelly beans. And this one here also says "Kick your ass hot." Roasted garlic. I can feel that on my lip.
Mine are numb. Mine already went numb. We're good. Let's just keep going. My lips are numb now.
How many more we got left?
6
6.
more after that.
All right. There we go. You see it?
Oh,
yeah, baby.
yeah. Get it on there.
Yeah, get it in there all nice and
Spread it all over that chicken.
Oh,
Whenever you're ready.
I hope it tastes better than that last
It's
one.
garlic. It should.
Alright. Ew, no. Oh, that was nasty
Better.
too.
Better than that one wasabi.
Maybe we should have got a couple other people over here to do this challenge with us.
Yeah, maybe them people that were on your phone blowing you up. I was one of them people, and look where I'm at.
That's why I'm behind the camera.
Right, right. You've been looking to get me in a video of Torment Game.
Man, this is gonna suck. It keeps getting hotter. and
Yeah, it
hotter.
does. I thought my lips went numb, now they're heating up again.
Yeah, it's
Oh
like
yeah.
it's like we're in this one spot.
Cajun.
Oh, God. Yep.
What is it?
Cajun.
A Cajun. Remember that guy years ago, that Cajun dude who was always did them cooking shows?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
I
Okay.
can't remember his name.
I'm not sure. I don't remember
Alrighty, Cajun.
either. Was he the Cajun King?
He was,
I guess it's-
he was an old
it's
timer.
not-
He wore suspenders.
Cajun King, I thought it was.
And he cooked all kinds of crawdads and all kinds of shit. Yeah, this is Cajun. So what's the heat index on it? Don't say, but it just keeps going
It's
up.
going up and up. The labels were green, pink, and then that one there's orange and then red.
I can feel it on the tip of my tongue now. With habanero pepper.
Yeah, we're getting into some spicy stuff. We're not at the 4 big guys yet.
And it's still that donkey kicking. Yeah, yeah, he's kicking in ass now.
Mm-hmm.
Kicking the back of my throat.
Alright. Oh, I'm blah blah.
Told you I'm fine up to the next one, then it's all downhill from there.
I just keep thinking I hate Biden, so it's like forcing me through this. No politics today.
No.
Fucking Biden. Alright, I gotta shake these up good. Here we go. Quit shaking.
Get all the good flavor from the bottom.
Oh
All that
man,
hot flavor.
man, I gotta tap it off because I just poured a lot of shit on it.
Cheers.
Alright, here we go. Man, it has the same fucking taste. It tastes like a strong, like chili powder taste, doesn't it?
A little bit. I think that's what Cajun tastes like.
Oh no, I gotta itch my eyeball.
That one there, it's getting hotter.
Yeah, it's getting hotter. I know my lips are on fire. And this is dinner for me tonight, right?
Yep.
You gonna cook me anything else?
Probably no. You're eating 10 of them. You're gonna be full. I don't think you're gonna eat anything else, are
You
you?
wanna try one?
I'll try a wing later, but not a.
Maybe some ice cream. For my ass.
It doesn't
Don't matter what color it is. Just shove it right on up in there.
You're gonna
This one-
feel it later.
This one here should be interesting. I don't know what it is.
What is it?
It says original.
Original. Oh, this is the.
Red one.
Look how dark red that is.
Oh,
my
we're to the
God.
4 ones. We're into the 4
And look how
bad
dark
ones.
brown this one is, and this one.
Them are
Oh,
the bad
this
ones.
one
Them are
here
the
is-
bad ones.
We got to work all the way up to 1 million.
No, we ain't working up. We're doing 4.
Oh my god. And this one is blah, blah. My tongue's starting to go numb. I can't talk. Alright, I ain't messing around more. Let's get this done.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
over with.
So we go get ice cream for our ass.
Go screw my ass.
Especially whenever I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
No, put some more on. There you
There
go.
we go.
Try to put it back in. Try to put it back in the
Oh.
fucking bottle.
It's already starting to come out.
What?
Ah, I'm not wanting to do it. I farted.
Oh.
I thought I heard something behind me. Look at the flakes in there.
Oh yeah.
Are you serious?
You can see them. You can see the peppers.
Oh my god.
You ready?
Oh no.
Go.
Mm.
Oh, I like that one. That one got good flavor.
Man, it's fucking nasty.
No, I like that one. It's hot, but I like that one.
Oh. You write down in the comments if you want this stuff, and I'll be happy to mail it to you. It'll be my giveaway to you. Free.
Oh, yeah. You alright over there?
Get a drink.
You're the one yelling, put more on it.
You're trying to shove it back in the bottle.
Yeah. Put lime in it.
Oh, good lord.
I'm glad I ain't the only one getting torture test.
Oh, no, this is gonna be the torture.
You got 4 more.
Yeah, and they're all the hot ones.
Get her done.
Oh, they all were hot.
Oh, no, these ones here are... I don't know, this one here is not. So maybe we don't have this. That's habanero, though.
Give it to me. We'll try it here in a second.
I think... Oh, okay, so 2 of these are bad.
Oh, yeah. My ass is on
2
fire
of these are
already.
bad. I thought all 4 were bad. I was getting scared.
Oh.
These are the 2 that's gonna kill us.
We got any milk?
No, we don't actually. I'm sorry.
I'll go buy me a cow and lay up under it and squirt the tip down my mouth.
Alright, quit stalling. Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
What's that
Alright.
bottle say?
This one here, oh, it has a devil on it.
Yeah.
And it says Beyond Hot. I thought their last ones were Beyond Hot.
Nope, these ones are the hot ones.
Hot sauce from hell. The little devil one.
Oh.
Next we gotta try that hot chip challenge.
Oh, the quesadilla chip. What is
Oh,
it?
whatever.
Oblo? The Oblo.
Whatever it is. Alright.
We're getting close to chili pepper heat.
I know my lips are on fire.
Yeah, we're getting close to chili pepper heat.
I just gotta wash my hands before I go to the bathroom, or something else is gonna be burning. You get it?
PG-13.
Yeah, PG-13. I hate Biden. Let's get this thing. Tap it off.
Hey, they got a picture of him on the bottle.
Biden?
Yeah.
He's a little devil. No, that's Harris on the
Oh,
bottle.
Harris is on the bottle. Alright, ready?
Looks like eating grass crap
Ready?
out there here.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, that one hit ya. Woo! Oh. That one hit you like it hit me.
In the back of the throat.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Here, take that cap on that one.
Oh, throw that one away.
3 more.
Maybe we should have started here and worked.
Have some ass blaster.
They made one after graboids?
Yeah.
Jammers?
Yeah.
Now that first one, that first one wasn't bad.
That's my favorite.
Old granny farting in her big old chair. I might keep that one around.
Yeah, I want this one. No, not the Cajun. Where'd it go? This one. I want this one. The original Mountain had a good flavor to it.
I don't want any of them. Just take that shit home. I'll stick with Sweet Baby Ray's.
That one's ass blaster.
Well,
It says take me with you
I don't
also.
want to do no more.
Here you
come
go.
on, 3 more. Get her done. Faster you get it done, the faster you don't have to worry
Get your
about
ice
it.
cream.
Look at her smiling and behind the camera. You can't see her. You want to try one?
No,
Make you forget all about your pain.
I doubt it.
Oh, even my tooth is hot.
Right here's hot.
Alright, I'm gonna show the camera this one.
I did.
Did you already?
Yeah,
Oh,
let's go.
I can't remember. I'm stoned.
I know you are.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, it's the same donkey, but he's leaning up against the shit house.
Yeah, it's the worst one.
And he got fire coming out of the shit house. Did you see it?
I seen it. That's what my
You ain't got
toilet's gonna
shit.
look like later.
Oh, I hate you, bud.
Oh, I need to keep smothering it on there.
Yeah, oh yeah, baby.
He moves it over. Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. I kinda don't even want to touch this with my fingers. Ready?
No.
Let's go.
Alright, let's try it. It's on my lip. Oh my god.
Oh, God. Oh.
That one burns right away.
Look at him sweat.
Oh, God, that was bad.
That was a bug. Oh my god. Didn't have a bad taste, but fuck. Woo! I'm telling you what, them motherfuckers get hot. I'm pretty sure if you eat that shit every day, your mouth would have to be immune to that.
I doubt it.
What was that last one?
That's extreme hot. Or beyond hot.
I see why. Fire coming up through that fucking that toilet.
I'm alright for these two if that one's that bad.
That one there jumped what? 200,000 level?
That one had to be 500,000.
I don't know.
It had to be.
I don't think it says.
I've had ghost peppers and that one's close.
My pop don't taste right. It don't taste right anymore.
I'm gonna be sucking on ice cubes for a while. Alright, two more, let's go.
What do you mean, let's go?
Let's go, let's just go.
My lips are on
Let's
fire.
go. Mine are on fire too. See, if I was behind the camera, I'd be
They're gonna
like,
be on a little more fire.
yeah, the next few are the bad ones.
I'd rather eat the ass out of a dead rhinoceros.
Ew.
Whew. I hope you guys like this and you're laughing your asses off at house. I want to go get some ice cream for my ass. I'm telling you what. Maybe my mouth first. We gotta shake it
I think
up.
I'm just gonna do one of them.
Mouth straight
Get
to
as
your
much
ass.
as I can on my face. And then,
Oh, fuck. You ever think something would be so funny? Burning,
God.
melting your lips off?
not me.
This is... this one here is called spontaneous combustion. It has a picture of a mouth. Her smiling with fire and lava coming out. Oh, fuck. I can feel it. I can feel my hair parting.
Now I feel you. I see you sweating.
You ready for these?
No.
Woo, baby!
So I wanted to put the last four on one thing.
Eat it!
Oh, you gonna put the last four on
No,
one
I
wing?
wanted to. Not now. We're going through
Let's
them all by
put them
one.
all together.
Put-
Mix them all together.
Put them all on one
Nope.
on the wing.
Yeah. Alright. I hope you can see me dumping this on here. I mean, it ain't no little bit I'm dumping on here either, is it? Wow, they make shit that's freaking hot.
Challenge. After this, you want to go to BW3's and do the hot sauce challenge?
So I'll tell you.
I might as well.
Oh God.
That one spread a little bit further than I wanted to too.
Oh, I hate you, Biden. I hate it.
Oh.
Man, you got teeth. I don't have no time gumming this shit out.
Means it hasn't hit you yet.
Oh, it hit me. I can't breathe.
That one like stays in the bottom of your throat.
Got a spot needs cleaning.
Alright, let's just do the last one so I can go get ice cream.
That'd be good on a taco.
Let's go. Oh, hell no. I won't eat them Taco Bell. You start doing that, I will not eat there.
That one there kind of stick with you for a little bit.
As I said, let's do the last one real fast. I can't feel my teeth no more.
That shit's hot. It's stuck in my tooth. Oh my God. Woo! Baby, try some.
No.
And it won't go away. It's like, it
stays.
fucks with you.
It stays, yeah. I think this is the most water I drank in a long time.
All right, let's get this last one done.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's be triple on fire. No more barbecue fucking test for me. This is bullshit. This one here is straight from hell. Devil's Revenge.
Revenge. So we had the Devils. Now we're after Revenge.
Alright. Yeah, it's like right on the middle of my damn tongue.
Oh my goodness. Water company's making some money today.
He just drank 3 bottles of water. That's their bottle.
I am not looking forward to this last one. Oh my God, you fucking assholes. I never cussed so much on a YouTube video before. It feels like my tongue is blistering up. Oh yeah, get her done.
Oh God. What we put ourselves through for you. What he puts himself through. I usually get the repercussions of it and have to try it afterwards. So here you go. Hope you're happy.
I got more on mine.
I don't care. Let's go.
No, don't be a pussy.
Oh,
Put some
God.
shit on there like mine.
That's better, huh?
No,
There's on there.
that's good. No, it's on my fingers. That's good. I don't want to do it. Push my hand up.
Mm-mm. Oh, shit.
Woo, baby.
Oh.
We're gonna end this video here soon.
Oh. That's painful.
Hey, it feels like my tongue is so fucking. It feels like it's blistering up. That's how hot this shit is.
That one don't hit you in the throat. It hits your stomach. It went straight to my stomach and it's killing me.
Oh shit. Ice cube time. Ice cream time.
Ice cream time.
Oh man, It feels like my stomach's bloating up like this. That sucks. I ain't doing that shit anymore.
I'll get to do it again. Maybe we'll do ice cream tasting.
Man, that sucks ass. Man, you guys at home just don't believe how hot this shit is. I'm telling you, my lips, it feels like they're melting off. My tongue right in the middle of it feels like it's blistered up. I can't really move it. It feels like I'm growing hair.
Feels like I'm blowing out fire.
Woo, baby. Well, now you want to try a handful of jelly beans? Alright.
I think I'm done with hot stuff today.
Yeah, my tongue is fucked up.
Ooh.
I hope you guys like this video. You thought it was funny with all my shit on fire. And good thing about it, I didn't stick my fingers in my eyeballs.
No.
But, hell yeah. Hope you liked the video. This is cameraman.
Right.
Kobe. Crazy Hillbilly Channel. We are out of here.